by Fidel, and I'm going to present my idea how to change your character or how to become a successful person. Do you want to be an owner of good qualities? Yes. What? I don't hear you. Yes. Okay. Answer is yes, and so I will help you. The first step is, are you ready? The first step is awareness. Now my friend will hand out a piece of paper. Write on this paper qualities that you want to change. What can it be? For instance, you always have a doubt, or you haven't got enough confidence, and so on. Not only these qualities, you must write your own bad qualities. So the second step is acceptable. The truth is the best way to change your character. Remember it, please. Tell yourself, okay, I am who I am at the moment, and I don't like my personality. Let's say it together. Okay, I am who I am at the moment, and I don't like my personality. Be active. And if you don't accept your bad quality, there is a great danger that this bad quality will develop. It's very important. The third step is, The third step is awareness, also awareness. After writing your bad qualities, let's imagine qualities that you want to have, and let's write it in your papers. For example, if you have written shy, write confidence, greedy, generous, and so on. And now focus on your good qualities and forget about all your bad sides. So, the fourth step is imagination. Now everybody close your eyes and relax and imagine qualities that you want to have. Imagine how you will be, how you will speak after changing your quality. Imagine it in details, please. It's very important. That's enough. You can open your eyes. And the last step is modeling image. Find the person who is your admiration. Explore, watch him, copy him, speak to him. It's also a good way to find a new friends. Why not? And now into the image. First, you have to be an actor. You have to play qualities that you want to have. It will be last 21 days. After 21 days, it will be only your habit. It will be a quiet reflex. I don't think that it's so difficult. So, in conclusion, I'd like to say that you don't have to change your life radically to become a successful person. Like British man Jan Yushin, who put his whole life up for sale to change his life. No, all you need is take small steps to success for 21 days. And for these days, these sheets of paper will help you. And thank you for your attention. I believe in you and good luck.